Hello everyone. Welcome to the machine learning course. Please get ready. We are about to officially start our class, and I hope you all can gain something. Then, let's move on to our explorations of the NumPy library. NumPy is a Python library for scientific computing that offers a wide range of useful tools. These tools include array objects, which are utilized to present vectors, matrices, images, and other multidimensional data. Additionally, NumPy provides functions for linear algebra operation. The array object in NumPy enables
the implementation of crucial array operations,
such as matrix transposition,
multiplication,
equation solving, vector, multiplication, and normalization. Here are some
key features of
NumPy arrays are efficient and space-saving multidimensional arrays that support vector, arithmetic operations, and complex broadcasting capabilities. And the library includes standard mathematical functions that can be applied efficiently across the entire dataset. And NumPy provides tools for reading and writing data to DICs, as well as for working with memory-mapped files. Additional functionalities encompass linear algebra operations, random number generations, and Fourier transform function. By leveraging these capabilities, NumPy greatly enhanced the efficiencies and the
accuracies for scientific computing tasks in Python.
Here, we'll use an example to gain a better understanding of the NumPy array data structure. And you can run this code examples to observe the resulting output. You can stop here and check the code if it is right with the wrong results on the right side. Now let's look at the NumPy library. NumPy library offers the matrix object,
which implements
matrix-related operations and manipulations. It provides functionalities like matrix calculations, transpositions, inversions, basic statistical functions, and complex number operations. Here are some attributes of the matrix objects. Matrix point-T, which means transpose. It would return the transpose matrix of the given matrix.
And the triangle.
Matrix I, which means inverse the matrix. It will reverse the matrix of the given matrix. Here we will provide you with some code snippets using NumPy's matrix object. You can run this in your own Jupyter notebook. You can check the following code snippets in your Jupyter environment to see the results and check it if it is right. Now let's move on to Matplotlib library. Matplotlib is a object-oriented drawing library in Python that allows easy creations and rendering of two-dimensional and three-dimensional graphics. Each graphical element, such as line, text, and scales, corresponds to an object in Matplotlib. Here are the main objects in Matplotlib library. The first is the figure. Figure represents the entire graph and appears in the separate window. The figure object serves as a container and can contain one or more subplots. Axis. The axis object represents a subplot within the figure. It provides a coordinate system for plotting data. Typically, a figure
consists of one or more axis objects.
The artist. The figure object contains special artist objects, such as the title, legend, which enhance the graph's appearance and convey additional information. Let's use a code to provide a brief introduction to the functionalities of Matplotlib library. This code demonstrate the following functionalities of Matplotlib. The first line, importing the Leserian modules Medical Lib, Pont, pyplot, and LangPy. The second line, creating the Jew figures for the plot using plot point figure function. The third line, setting the labels for the x-axis and y-axis using plot x-level and plot point y-level. The first 9. Adding a title to the plot using plot point title. The 5th line, generating arrays of value for the x-axis using NumPy point arrange function. The 6th line, saving the value to the variables y and y2. The 7th line, plotting the data using plot point plot functions, specifying the line style and levels for each line. The 8th line, adding a legend to the plot using plot point legend function. The 9th line, displaying the plot using plot point show function. When this code executed, this code will create a simple diagram with two plot lines. One representing the function y equals x times 2, and other representing the function y equals 2x plus 9. The plot will also include a legend indicating the levels for each line. You can use the plot function to draw on the current figure objects. Once you have created the figure objects, you can call the plot function to draw on it. The plot function operates on axis subgraph objects, which is part of the figure. In the plot function, you can specify the color and line type of the line using the third parameters, such as B for blue solid line. And here are some properties and methods that can be used with the plot objects. This function allows you to add labels, titles, and adjust access limits, and show legend in your Matplotlib plots. To save the image file with specific setting, you can use the following code. This will save the current plot as an image file named
10 PNG with a resolution of 120 dots per inch DPI.
To display an image and enable interactive annotation, you can using the following codes. This will display the image and prompt the users to click on an item in the picture. The coordinate of the key point will be stored in the variable x to display Chinese characters and the show negative signs quickly in the chart. You can use in the following code. This code set the default font to Simsun for displaying Chinese characters and ensuring that a negative size is displayed properly in the chart.